Hello, friends. This is Dr. Manisha Zadhav, Director at Radiant Specialty Skin Clinic. And today we are going to talk about the secrets to radiant, healthy, and flawless skin. As you all know, last time we talked about different skin types, namely dry, oily, normal, and combined. Today, we are going to talk about how to use the skin types and what are the different type of cleansers that we can use to clean our skin. Germs love skin, especially the oily, grimy, and hairy one. The skin has its own ecosystem to full of germs and bacteria which keep each other in check. But when this balance is disturbed, it can lead to infections. So it is important to clean our skin surface regularly to wash away all the dirt and allow the skin to breathe and carry out its work. The best way to cleanse is, of course, using a proper cleanser. So let's see what a cleanser is actually. So, a cleanser is a product used to remove dead skin cells, oil, dirt, makeup, and other pollutants from your skin. It should gently remove dirt from the skin without stripping off its essential oils. Although most of us focus on the face when selecting a skincare product, cleanliness applies to the skin on the rest of the body as well. There is a considerable difference between the surfactants used in face cleansers and body cleansers. Daily and continued use of soap, however, can make our skin extremely dry. Hence, it is very essential to choose a cleanser wisely. Now, let's see what are the different types of cleansers. So, the first type is foaming cleansers. These type of cleansers lather well, matlab they form a good foam and they make you feel pleasant and fresh after use. These are available as creams, lotions, gels, aerosols, and scrubs. The second type is the non-foaming cleansers. These are the mildest form of cleansers because of the very minimal amount of surfactants inside it. These don't need rinsing and can be wiped off instead. These leave behind a thin film on the skin which acts as a moisturizer or an antioxidant. These are available as creams or lotions, commonly known as cleansing milk. The third type is scrubs. These contain ingredients that physically scrub to remove dead skin cells. Using scrubs can make the skin smooth, but the rough granules in scrubs could lead to irritation as well. Sodium tetraborate decahydrate granules, which are considered mildly abrasive because the granules soften and dissolve on contact with water. Polyethylene silica or beads, mild as the beads are smooth and round, and the jojoba esters are some of the commonly used scrub granules. The fourth type is cream cleansers or moisturizing cleansers. These are used for sensitive and dry skin and they come with a creamy base. So, if you have dry and sensitive skin, you should be cautious when you use these kind of cleansers because some of them may contain sodium lauryl sulfate, which is more dangerous than useful because they are less water soluble and they can worsen the patchy, dry, scaly, and stretchy feel. So, cream cleansers should be used very wisely. The fifth type is medicated cleansers. These have some form of pharmaceutical ingredient or other to address specific skin needs. For example, a cleanser with 2% salicylic acid is a medicated cleanser. Acne prone skin may require medicated cleansers to control oil secretion. Many pharmaceutical and cosmetic companies manufacture cleansers with salicylic acid for acne sufferers. Now, the next type is antibacterial cleansers. These were first manufactured for hospital use. However, overzealous use of these at home is not at all recommended. Many mothers use such cleansers for their children, but they ought to be reminded that a regular soap will do the job just as well. These cleansers should be used with caution and sparsely, As they have strong chemicals, they can dry your skin completely, making it patchy and scaly. Now, let us see how can we use these cleansers for various skin types. So let us see what type of cleansers we should use if you have a dry skin. So if you have a dry skin, choose creamy and moisturizing cleansers. Look out for ingredients such as glycerine or hyaluronic acid, which help retain water in your skin, giving you that moisturized feel. Avoid foaming cleansers if you have a dry skin. Combination skin. Gentle or mild foaming cleansers should do the magic. Water soluble or gel based cleansers help maintain the right balance between dryness and oiliness. Sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, you need to be very careful with the cleansers. You can safely choose glycerine as an ingredient as it will give you an even skin tone and protect it. Choose creamy cleansers that are fragrance free to avoid irritation or allergies. Lactic acid and hyaluronic acid again are two very good ingredients to maintain skin health. Last type is the oily or the acne prone skin. Cleansers with salicylic acid will make sure that your pores are not clogged anymore as the ingredient has a gentle exfoliating property. You could also choose non-abrasive, non-alcoholic gentle cleansers. So I hope friends you have got a fair idea about the different types of cleansers and how you can choose a proper cleanser for your suitable skin type. If you found this information useful, please do like and share and subscribe our video and share it with maximum friends so that they too can benefit from this. On that note, see you again next week with another useful video in which we will be talking maybe about toners and moisturizers. See you all.